Martin's accident at the Sepang Test, which led to surgery, has sparked renewed controversy. Aprilia has accused Michelin of shouldering full responsibility, while Michelin contends it wasn't entirely their fault. The situation seems to be intensifying, so it'll be interesting to see how it unfolds. Let's discuss. Watch until the end. The first day of MotoGP pre-season testing at the Sepang Circuit took a dramatic turn when Martin suffered a harrowing crash, leaving him with serious injuries to his right hand and left leg. His team, Aprilia, was quick to point the finger at Michelin, MotoGP's official tyre supplier, for the incident. The Spanish rider was launched into the air in a violent high-side at turn 2, instantly becoming the centre of attention in the motorcycle racing world. Martin, the reigning 2024 MotoGP World Champion, endured 2 crashes within the space of an hour, both occurring on the same tyre specification. Aprilia insisted that there was no fault with the bike or Martin's handling, hinting instead at a potential issue with the tyres. Massimo Rivola, CEO of Aprilia Racing, stated that their data showed no visible defect on the surface of the medium compound tyres used by Martin, but encouraged further scrutiny of their condition. Michelin, however, strongly refuted any suggestion that their tyres were to blame. Michelin Motorsport's chief Piero Taramasso revealed that their analysis indicated Martin's tyre temperature was 15 degrees lower than that of his teammate Marco Bezzecchi at the same stage. He highlighted the extremely slippery track conditions, wind and cooler temperatures in Sepang as key contributing factors to the crash. The dispute escalated when Aprilia dismissed Michelin's explanation. Rivola disclosed that they had requested historical tyre data to gain further clarity, indicating a lack of full confidence in Michelin's assessment. Aprilia also pointed out that had there been an issue with the tyres, Martin would have immediately requested a change, yet he completed 13 laps without reporting any concerns. Following the accident, Martin was swiftly transported to a nearby hospital in Sepang, where examinations confirmed a single fracture in his right hand and multiple fractures in his left foot. He was later flown back to Spain for surgery on his hand at the Quiron Dexius clinic in Barcelona, where the procedure was deemed successful. There, the controversy has extended beyond just Aprilia and Michelin, with the wider MotoGP community now raising questions about tyre safety and consistency across varying conditions. Aprilia has called for an urgent meeting with Michelin and all teams to address what they describe as a critical safety issue, stressing that this is not merely about one crash, but about ensuring future rider safety. Michelin has defended its stance, asserting that the tyres in question have been used successfully at numerous circuits without issue. They reiterated that their investigation found no structural flaws or defects in Martin's tyres that could have led to the crash. With Martin now set to miss the upcoming test in Buriram and possibly even the start of the season, this situation has become more than just a technical debate. It now casts a shadow over Aprilia's preparedness for the upcoming campaign. Having placed their faith in Martin as their lead rider, the team now faces a formidable challenge in ensuring both his recovery and the performance of their bike on track. As pre-season testing continues, all eyes remain on how Aprilia and Michelin will navigate this tense standoff. Whether the resolution comes through strategic tyre adjustments or changes to Michelin's product specifications, one thing is certain: rider safety remains paramount in the high-risk world of MotoGP. Marquez took a balanced stance on the ongoing tension between Aprilia and Michelin following Jorge Martin's crash. He acknowledged that in racing, accidents can happen for a variety of reasons, whether it be the bike, the tyres, or even the rider's own misjudgment. While he recognized the crucial role tyres play in a bike's stability and performance, he was quick to point out that track conditions, weather, and race strategy are just as influential in determining the final outcome. Marquez hopes that rather than engaging in finger-pointing, both Aprilia and Michelin will work together through constructive dialogue and a thorough analysis of the technical data to find a solution. Drawing from his own experience with Michelin, Marquez noted that the tyre manufacturer has consistently provided high-quality products in recent years, but he also admitted that no product is flawless and there is always room for improvement. He stressed the importance of cooperation between tyre suppliers, teams and riders to find the best balance between performance and safety. With the wealth of experience he has gained from his own crashes over the years, Marquez hopes this situation will serve as a valuable lesson for everyone involved, ultimately helping to make MotoGP a safer environment for all. Francesco Bagnaia, who previously clashed with Michelin over tyre performance during the 2024 season, offered a more measured perspective on Martin's incident. While he acknowledged that tyres could have played a role, something he himself had struggled with, he also urged people to consider the bigger picture. He argued that it would be unfair to place all the blame on Michelin without a proper analysis that takes into account track conditions, race strategy, and even the rider's physical state. Having learned from his own difficulties in 2024, Bagnaia underlined the importance of open communication and collaboration between riders, teams, and tyre manufacturers to prevent issues that could have serious consequences. In light of Martin's crash, he expressed hope that Aprilia and Michelin would conduct a thorough review and take on board any lessons that might emerge. He reiterated that safety must always be the top priority in motorcycle racing, and that if shortcomings exist, they should be addressed collectively. While he recognized that Michelin had made progress since his own struggles, he remained open to the idea that further refinements might still be needed. In the end, Bagnaia believes that meaningful discussions between all parties will lead to better solutions, ensuring MotoGP remains both safe and fiercely competitive. Marco Bezzecchi, Jorge Martin's Aprilia teammate, believes Martin's crash is a stark reminder of MotoGP's ever-present risks. Though he didn't witness it firsthand, data suggests several factors, tyre performance, track conditions, and race strategy may have played a role. He emphasized the need to support Martin's recovery while ensuring the team learns from the incident to improve safety. What's your take, MotoGP fans? Does this highlight deeper concerns between Aprilia and Michelin, or should the focus be purely on safety and performance? Share your thoughts in the comments or on social media using #MotoGPSafety. Every voice matters in shaping the discussion. Most importantly, let's rally behind Jorge Martin as he recovers. We all hope to see him back on track, racing at his best. Send your support, stay updated, and let's keep the thrill of MotoGP alive without losing sight of rider safety. Hey MotoGP fans, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with all the latest action.